What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon, and we're doing a quick unboxing of my newest product. This is the Ridge wallet, and I just got it today in the mail. I've always had what you'd call a traditional wallet. This is my very first non-traditional wallet, a real thin wallet. As we take a little look around the box here before we get into it, these Ridge wallets have always looked so cool to me, and I've always wanted to get one, just to have a real thin wallet, something that'll hold my debit card, my credit card, my ID, and a little bit of cash if I choose to carry some cash. So yeah, let's go ahead and open up this box and try to do it as flawlessly as I can with one hand. I really need to get a tripod. That's all there is to it. Alright, let's go ahead and open it here. I've almost got it. Anyways, the Ridge wallet, they've got so many different colors and different designs that you can get. This one is the aluminum GunMetal, I believe is what it's called. I like the color and everything. And what do we got here? Welcome to the Ridge. Yeah, see just how, like, even the photo, I just thought it looks really cool. A real thin, minimalistic wallet. Something that I can easily fit, in like my front pocket. No more having to stuff a big old bulky wallet in my back pocket. That sort of thing. This is just kind of like just little, I don't know, paperwork, I guess you want to call it. Looks like they gave me a sticker, the Ridge. And here is the wallet, right here. Yeah, see how thin that baby is? Looks like it's already got some kind of fake card in it right now, to kind of just give you an idea of what it'll look like with your own personalized cards. They even give us a little screwdriver and extra screws, I guess, if we need to change out a piece or fix it down the line. You can also get the strap and the clip set, which I got both, as you can see on the back. Anyways, that's been the unboxing, and these are the items you get with the Ridge wallet. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to like the video, comment below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.